Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by letting Excel turn text into links automatically. Open File, right arrow options, and go to Proofing. Once there, click Auto Correct Options, then Auto Format as you type, and enable Internet and Network paths with hyperlinks. This makes typing URLs live links. Next, handle protected workbooks. Go to Trust Center and enable editing or add the folder as a trusted location so links aren't blocked. Finally, for immediate control use, Ctrl+K or insert right arrow link to add a hyperlink manually to the selected cell. Once the basics are set, convert or edit links in bulk. You can use the hyperlink function equals hyperlink, http://example.com, label to build clickable dynamic links that update when you change the URL cell. If you have dozens of plain text URLs, run a small VBA macro that uses active sheet hyperlinks. Add to batch convert them, then replace formulas with values via paste special. Make sure local file links use file, /// or relative paths, and keep cells formatted as general so Excel recognizes and activates the links. Finish by testing every link, Ctrl+click or single click, depending on your Excel settings, and save the workbook. Once done, consider placing the file in a trusted location so links and external content aren't blocked by security prompts. If a link still won't activate, make sure auto format is enabled, remove any leading apostrophes that force text, and change the cell format from text to general. These common issues prevent activation. If links point to local files, verify the file, /// path and permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.